Are you missing a critical code dependency like the Microsoft Visual C Runtime 90 Debug DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to show you the professional way to fix it. Avoid long manual edits for Microsoft Visual C Runtime 90 Debug by using the suggested repair utility in the description. This is the Microsoft Visual C Runtime 90 Debug, the debug version of the C Runtime library associated with Visual Studio 2008. It is strictly used for software analysis and development, providing diagnostic hooks that allow programmers to monitor memory leakages in real time. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. Qt5 WebKit is distributed specifically with Qt Framework and should never be downloaded as a standalone file. Reinstall the latest official version of Qt Framework to restore this dependency correctly through the official installer. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Microsoft Visual C Runtime 90 Debug, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Using an incorrect or unverified version of Qt5 WebKit DLL can trigger a domino effect within your runtime environment, causing unrelated professional applications to fail without warning. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. The diagnostic utility referenced below offers general information for managing Microsoft Visual C Runtime 90 Debug and maintaining system health. If Microsoft Visual C Runtime 90 Debug is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.